In this video, I will be giving you guys a thorough walkthrough on how you can change your name on PayPal. Now, there will be a lot of important information towards the end regarding uploading documents and how to properly do so. But first, let's start this walkthrough from the beginning. So once you're logged into PayPal, you would want to click on the settings icon, which is located on the top right. From here, click on change name, and it'll take you to this page. Here you have three options available as to why and how you can change your name. If you need to change your PayPal name due to marriage, divorce, or because of an actual legal name change that you filed, then click the first option. If you just need to update your name for any other reason, then click on the second option. And lastly, the third option is for anyone who have misspelled their name and need to change a few letters. Do keep in mind that this option is only available once and the max amount of characters that can be changed are 2. Alright, so once you've picked your reasoning, you will see a list of required documents that you need to upload. If you're just making a minor correction, you won't have to worry about uploading any documents, but for those who do need to upload, PayPal will ask you for your ID and a copy of any of these documents. Now here's the important part. If we take a look at the bottom page, you will find a couple of short and simple rules that must be followed when uploading your documents. However, for whatever reason, PayPal failed to mention here the most important rule, which is that any documents that are submitted by photo must be clearly visible and must include all 4 corners of the paper. This means that you can't hide, block, or cover any parts of your documents. Same thing goes for when submitting your ID. In fact, PayPal requires a photo of both the front and the back of your ID to be included. So please be aware of these rules as well as the rules shown below. Now, once you've submitted your files, according to PayPal, it can take up to 3 to 5 business days for the change to happen. However, after reading a whole bunch of online forums, people have complained it could take longer than just 3 to 5 days. So if I personally had to wait, I would wait for 2 weeks max, and if an update fails to happen after the 2 weeks, then calling them would be the better decision. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you and have a great day.